Picture yourself in the 2022 Honda Pilot. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Give in to your craving for an SUV that's both rugged and refined. This Pilot is versatile, spacious, and designed for all-weather adventure, as well as comfortable cruising. With all-wheel drive and advanced safety technology, this is the family-friendly SUV you've been waiting for. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate, lane keeping assist. Get ready to have some serious family fun in this spacious and powerful Honda Pilot. Drive it and fall in love.